Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm JoJo. I'm very happy you are here. Today is a special day. Today is grocery shopping day. Let's go together. First, I need to make a shopping list. A shopping list helps me remember everything. Here's my list: bread, eggs, rice, chicken, apples, bananas, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, onions, pasta, orange juice, and a little chocolate. Wow, that's a lot of food. Are you ready? Let's go. I take my shopping bag. I take my wallet too. The weather is sunny today. I feel happy. I walk to the supermarket. After a short walk, I arrive. I grab a shopping cart. The cart is a little noisy, but that's okay. First stop, the bread section. The bread smells so good. I pick one soft loaf of bread. Next, the dairy section. I pick a big bottle of milk. I pick one box of eggs. Be careful with the eggs. I also choose some cheese. I love cheese. Now the fruit section. I pick 4 shiny red apples. I pick a big bunch of bananas. Bananas are full of energy. Then the vegetable section. I pick some red tomatoes. I pick a big green lettuce. I also pick 2 onions. Now the rice section. I find a big bag of rice. It is heavy, but I am strong. Next, the meat section. I choose fresh chicken. Chicken is good for dinner. I also grab a pack of pasta. Spaghetti is my favorite. Almost done. I walk to the drinks section. I pick 1 bottle of orange juice. It looks so fresh. And then I see the chocolate. Just 1 small bar. A little treat. Now time to pay. I put everything on the counter. The cashier scans my food. Beep, beep, beep. I smile. I say, "Thank you." I pay with my card. All done. I pack my groceries. The bags are heavy, but I feel good. I walk home. The sun is shining. The air feels fresh. At home, I put the milk in the fridge. I put the rice in the pantry. I put the apples in the fruit basket. And the chocolate? Maybe later. Shopping is fun, and it's good practice too. Thank you for shopping with me today. You are doing an amazing job. Keep learning a little every day. See you next time on Easy English Learning. Bye-bye.